Go with us. Hi guys, welcome to day 8, I think. We are project look for key. Van key. I don't know where it is now, it's not in the ignition. So, yeah. Hello! Go to the beach, each let's go get a wave. Right, we've got 15 minutes wasted looking for the fucking van key. Tap the water up, left the bonnet open a bit because I put a bit of water inside on the engine, but yeah, let's go. Lily's opening the gates for us, she's not got enough energy. Beetle on my ass. She's done the right way. Gotta roll all the way down. Where's Lily? Oh. There she is. Face it right way now, guys. Let's get going. I'll show you a little video of the town here. This is Les Buzeres. We've arrived. Same beach as the other day. Day 8 is the same as day 5, I think it was. Let's get some tanning done.
I think I got sunburned from when I was digging that park.
Day's drawing to a close, it's nearly 6 o'clock. Indian, we're leaving here at 6. Layla's asleep, so it's alright. Maybe stay till after 6, depends on Loza Fozza.
That's not fair.
By the way, it's close. We're parked up in Castellon, ready to go for the Indian. Look at this. We've got semi-skimmed, skimmed, and black coffee.
I am not far off you.
You have another that. When you see this back on here, good miles. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.